Thank you. Come here. Yeah! Say, I have a surprise for you. Okay. Wow! That's a gift. Thank you. Thank you. Kiss daddy. Kiss daddy. Ooh.
I believe that our story is not just an ordinary story because God writes our love story. God witnessed us from the very start up to this day. Naalala ko pa nung palagi tayong nagkikita, simbahan, just to pray.
Heartbeat in the quiet, spotlight in an empty room, a song in the silence, my dreams come into view.
Sinabi ko sa aking sarili na nakita ko na ang taong mamahalin ko habang buhay. Hindi ako magaling sa lahat ng bagay pero sa pagkakataong ito napatunayan ko sa sarili ko na may isang tao na kaya kong mahalin ng habang buhay sa hirap at ginhawa.
I see it now with you. You'll never be the same. The start of my heart, a river washing over me. When you
Paumanin kung inaabot ng 18 years bago tayo magpakasal. Hindi naging madali ang mga nakaraang panahon sa atin. Ngunit ganun pa man napatunayan natin sa isa't isa. Basta tayo magkasamang dalawa, kaya natin ang lahat.
Pinipili niyo ang isa't isa bilang daan patungo sa buhay na walang hanggan. Marsh, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdibs si Christopher na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Padre.
At kung darating man ang araw na tayo ay lumipas, ako ay maniniklohod sa poong may kapal na ikaw pa rin ang taong ibigay sa akin ulit sa susunod na buhay.
Ang tunay na substance ng pag-ibig ay sa pag-aalay ng buhay para sa minamahal.
I see it now with you. You'll never be the same. The start of my heart, you cover me completely with you. Came and changed everything.
Hug mommy! Hug mommy! Hug mommy! I love you! Hug mommy! Mwah! Ay, naku, nagkaroon ng lipstick. I love you, baby!
This is more than imagine. This is more than ordinary love. Didn't really
Nagdadasal tayo na sana malagpasan tsaka kayanin natin lahat ng pagsubok tsaka lahat ng problemang dinadanas ng relasyon natin dalawa. I'm so happy to say that dininig nila tayo.
didn't realize this could happen.
Pinakinggan nila yung bawat dasal natin, yung bawat laman ng puso natin.
Be the same. The start of my heart, a river washing over me. Came and changed everything.
Thank you, Dad, for loving me for so long and for not giving up on us. I love you so much.
Ama naming mapagmahal, basbasan mo't kupkupin ang iyong mga lingkod at sina Christopher at Marcia. Pakindapatin mo na silang magsusuot ng mga singsing na ito ay maging kawangis mo sa iyong wagas na pag-ibig at walang maliw na katapatan.
Marcia, kailanman hindi kita pagtataksilan. Isuot mo at pakaingatan ang singsing na ito.
Na siyang sangla ng aking pag-ibig at katapatan
Sa ngalan ng Ama at ng Anak
at ng Espiritu Santo. Amen.
Iniluluhog namin ito sa pamamagitan ni Jesucristo kasama ng Espiritu Santo magpasawalang hanggan.
Amen.
It's a perfect story with you and me. We're like 1,000 voices, all in harmony. Oh, I gotta just say it. You're the melody in my head, the promise of to come, yeah. You're brighter than the sunlight, yeah. I'll never
lang. Uy, pinakasan mo yung alcohol ko. Huwag mo na, yung MP sa'yo. Bakit MP?
We are forever. We are forever. Running through the stars till the end of time. It's not just another story, it's our legacy. All these words on pages could never speak.
Christopher, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Marcia na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
Every minute, every hour, every day. Just another chance to take my breath away. We are forever. We are forever. Running through the stars till the end of time. We are forever. We are forever. Running through the stars till the end of time. It's the tales they'll tell about us, yeah. It's our children's children and their children too. If we write it in the sky, they'll never wonder why. I see forever in your eyes.
Guys, thank you sa pagpunta sa kasal namin today. And sobrang happy namin. Team Bride! Cheers!
We are forever. Running through the stars to the end of time. We are forever. We are forever. Running through the stars to the end of time. We are forever. We are forever. Running through the stars to the end of time. Running through the stars to the end of time. To the end of time.
Dad, thank you for loving me for so long and for not giving up on us. Love you.
To the end of time. To the end of time. Running through the stars till the end of time.